Before diving into the explanations of blue, red, and hollow purple, you must understand the concept of Gojo Satoru's infinity power. To make it easier to understand, I will use visual images and numbers. Let's consider Gojo as 0. On his right, there are numbers 1 to 10, and on his left, there are numbers -1 to -10. In the infinity, Gojo divides the space infinitely from number 1 towards 0. For example, when Jogo wants to reach Gojo and he is at number 4, he can move normally from number 4 towards 1. But after reaching 1, he encounters Gojo's infinity, where there is space divided infinitely from number 1 towards 0. This forces Jogo to pass through numbers like 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, 1/16, and so on to be able to touch Gojo, and indirectly, it slows down Jogo's movements, preventing him from ever reaching Gojo. If we look here, numbers 110 are positive numbers, red, or the space that Gojo can manipulate. On the other side, there are negative numbers -1 to -10, blue, referred to as cursed energy in the Jujutsu world. So the way blue works is by pulling objects or people in the space, red, into Gojo's cursed energy, blue. It can be likened to a magnet, and this technique has a derivative technique called azure glow, where Gojo spontaneously transforms negative numbers into positive numbers, resulting in extremely strong gravity. Because in Jujutsu, cursed energy is equivalent to negative energy, in this red technique, Gojo applies the basic mathematical principle that negative multiplied by negative becomes positive, and thus, the technique becomes reversal red, which can be considered the opposite of the blue technique. If the blue technique is pulling, then this red technique is pushing. So anything in front of Gojo that is affected by this technique will be thrown far away. If earlier it was explained that the blue technique is pulling and the red technique is pushing, in this hollow purple technique, Gojo combines both. But the term combination is not quite suitable because negative and positive are opposites. So, more accurately, it's colliding. Here, Gojo collides the pulling nature of blue with the pushing nature of red, resulting in a super strong energy explosion called hollow purple. The power of hollow purple erases all physical objects like trees and soil or metaphysical entities like cursed spirits and cursed energy.